What if I told you that a simple bowl of salt water could change everything? Imagine attracting wealth, love, and opportunity, all by putting your name in this powerful mixture. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step ritual that combines the ancient power of salt and water with the personal energy of your own name. You don't need any special skills or complex ingredients, just your focus and a few quiet moments. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use this practice to draw in the things you've been wishing for. So if you're ready to shift your energy and invite incredible blessings into your life, stay with me. This might just be the change you've been waiting for. Let's dive in and discover how this simple saltwater ritual could be the key to manifesting everything you desire. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with the affirmation, "I am ready to receive everything I desire." Let's start. Salt and water hold deep symbolic meaning in Buddhist and other spiritual teachings, often seen as elements of purification, renewal, and protection. Salt is known for its ability to cleanse and remove negative energies, both physically and spiritually, making it a powerful tool for rituals aimed at clearing obstacles. In Buddhist and Eastern practices, salt is often used to dispel harmful influences and create a sense of balance and purity in one's environment. Water, in turn, represents flow, abundance, and life itself, symbolizing the potential to wash away barriers and allow new, positive energies to flow in. When salt and water are combined, they create a powerful mix that amplifies these cleansing and purifying qualities. This mixture is believed to neutralize negativity and promote an environment conducive to growth, harmony, and abundance. By incorporating one's name in the salt water, you're focusing the power of this ritual specifically on yourself, calling in energy that is uniquely aligned with your intentions and goals. This aligns with the Buddhist belief that self-purification and intentional action lead to positive transformation. In Buddhist rituals, salt and water are often used together to prepare one's mind and spirit for blessings, opening the pathway for new opportunities. By creating this saltwater ritual and setting a clear intention, you can align yourself with energies of renewal and abundance. Whether you're seeking prosperity, improved relationships, or peace of mind, this ritual serves as a way to focus your mind, clear away emotional clutter, and attract positivity into your life. Now let's explore the step-by-step process to perform this ritual. Step 1. Gather your materials. To begin, collect the 3 essential items for this ritual: a small bowl, clean water, and natural salt. The quality of these materials can make a meaningful difference in your ritual's effectiveness, as their purity aligns with the goal of clearing away negative energy and inviting positive outcomes. Try to choose natural salt, such as sea salt or Himalayan salt, as these are believed to carry stronger cleansing properties, which Buddhist teachings consider essential for removing obstacles and creating a balanced, welcoming energy field. As you gather these items, use this moment to set your intention and focus on what you wish to achieve with this ritual. Think about your goals, such as attracting abundance, enhancing relationships, or finding inner peace. In Buddhist teachings, the intention behind an action is as important as the action itself. So by mindfully preparing your materials, you are beginning the process of aligning your thoughts and energy with your desires. Step 2. Write your name. On a small piece of paper, write your full name as a way of focusing the ritual directly on yourself. In Buddhist and spiritual practices, one's name is deeply personal, holding the energy and identity of the individual. By writing it down, you're directing all the positive energy generated by this ritual specifically towards you, helping to strengthen the connection between your intentions and the results you want to manifest. As you write, take a moment to think about what you wish to attract. Visualize your desires, whether it's greater financial stability, improved relationships, or a sense of inner calm. Allow yourself to feel a sense of excitement and positivity as you write your name, as these emotions help to charge the ritual with the right energy. This simple action of putting your name to paper is a powerful way to actively invite positive change into your life, aligning with the Buddhist principle of setting intentions through symbolic acts. Step 3. Add the salt and water. Now, add the salt to the bowl of water, stirring it gently to dissolve. Salt has long been viewed as a powerful cleansing agent in spiritual practices worldwide, while water symbolizes the flow of abundance and renewal. This combination represents purification on multiple levels, clearing away any negative or stagnant energy that may be blocking your desires. Buddhist teachings emphasize the value of purity and flow, making salt water an ideal medium for opening pathways to positivity and abundance. Place the paper with your name in the salt water. This act symbolizes your willingness to let go of limiting beliefs, negative influences, or blockages surrounding your desires. As the salt dissolves and your name rests in the water, visualize these barriers melting away, leaving a clear path for the new opportunities you wish to welcome. This step not only grounds your intention in a physical action, but also aligns with Buddhist practices of inner and outer cleansing for spiritual clarity. Step 4. Place it in a quiet spot. Finally, place the bowl in a quiet, undisturbed spot for 24 hours, allowing it to absorb any remaining negativity and radiate positive energy into your environment. This step is a moment of surrender, inviting peace and positivity into your life. In Buddhist practice, creating a calm and serene space allows the energy to flow freely, amplifying the power of your intention without interference. During this waiting period, try to release any attachment to specific outcomes. Trust that the ritual is working and focus instead on feeling open and receptive to whatever blessings come your way. This last step embodies the Buddhist principle of non-attachment, letting go of control and allowing positive energies to naturally enter your life. 4. Set your intention. After preparing your materials and placing your name in the salt water, the next crucial step is setting a clear intention. In spiritual practices, intention is powerful. It's the spark that directs energy toward a specific outcome. When we approach rituals with focus and purpose, our desires become clearer, amplifying the impact of our actions. In Buddhist teachings, mindfulness is essential. Setting an intention aligns your mental energy with your spiritual goals. Think of your intention as a guiding light for the ritual, illuminating the path for positive changes to enter your life. To set your intention, take a few moments to sit quietly with your bowl. Place your hands over the bowl, close your eyes, and focus on what you truly want. Is it wealth, love, peace, or confidence? Imagine your desired outcome as if it's already manifesting in your life. Feel the emotions it brings, whether joy, relief, gratitude, or excitement. By mentally experiencing the joy of your goals coming true, you deepen the ritual's connection to your desires, making them feel real and attainable. In Buddhist practices, this type of visualization is a method of planting seeds for what you want to grow. As you set your intention, release any doubt or fear, allowing only positive and confident energy to fill your mind. By focusing on your intention with full trust, you're priming your mind to remain open and receptive to the blessings you're inviting. Your intention will act as a magnet, attracting opportunities, ideas, and influences that align with your goal, setting the stage for your desires to flow into your life. Step 5. Release and let go. After setting your intention, it's time to place the bowl in a quiet, undisturbed spot for 24 hours. This step is more than just letting the ritual sit. It represents the act of surrendering and trusting in the process. In Buddhist teachings, the concept of non-attachment is central. It teaches us to release control over how things happen, allowing us to be open to unexpected blessings. By placing the bowl aside, you're symbolically releasing any need to micromanage your desires, putting faith in the universe's timing and wisdom. This waiting period is essential because it allows the energy you've set in motion to work without interference. Just like planting a seed, you don't need to keep checking it to know it's growing. Avoid the temptation to check on the bowl or worry about the results. Trust that the ritual is working and that your intention has been heard. This step encourages patience, which is often needed for growth and transformation, aligning with the Buddhist belief that patience itself is a form of wisdom and strength. During these 24 hours, continue to carry a sense of openness and positivity. Remind yourself that you've set your intention and that good things are on their way. Reflect on gratitude, both for the blessings already present in your life and for those that are yet to come. Practicing this mindset reinforces your receptivity to positive change. The act of surrendering control frees your mind from doubt and fear, opening you to possibilities you may not have even imagined. Step 6. Dispose of the water. Mindfully, after 24 hours, it's time to complete the ritual by disposing of the salt water in a mindful and respectful way. This final step is a symbolic release, representing the washing away of any lingering negativity, doubt, or obstacles standing in the way of your goals. Pour the water outside onto the ground or into a sink, visualizing it carrying away everything that no longer serves you. In Buddhist and spiritual traditions, the act of washing something away signifies purification and closure, creating a fresh start and allowing room for blessings. As you pour the water, take a moment to mentally or verbally express gratitude. Thank the water and salt for helping you cleanse and reset your energy, and thank yourself for dedicating time to this meaningful practice. This moment of gratitude serves as a reminder that each small action contributes to your journey. Recognizing the ritual's significance deepens its impact, affirming that you're now free from previous limitations and open to receiving abundance. After disposing of the water, release any remaining attachment to the ritual and its outcome. Trust that the energy you've channeled is now working in your favor, and feel confident in the positive changes you've set into motion. In Buddhist practice, this letting go allows the universe to bring forth blessings in ways you may not anticipate. By closing the ritual with a sense of completion and gratitude, you set the stage for your desires to flow naturally into your life, reinforcing your openness to whatever opportunities come your way. Through this simple yet powerful ritual, you've channeled intention, trust, and gratitude to invite positive change into your life. By setting aside time for this practice, you've symbolically cleared away barriers and created space for abundance and joy to flow freely. Trust that the energy you've set in motion is working, and stay open to the blessings heading your way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Comment below with "I am ready to receive abundance" to affirm your commitment to positive transformation.